Hello, happy Monday. I'm using Morphe. Forgot the name. Oh, Fierce by Nature. And I started with this one for the crease. And I'm going to put this one on the lid. I was recording and all of a sudden there was a great big, huge noise and it sounded just like my girl having a seizure. So I said a naughty word, so we're starting over. It wasn't, thank God. I'm not exactly sure what it was. I think the cats must have knocked something down. I couldn't find what it was on my first look, but I'm so glad it wasn't what it sounded like. So how was your weekend? I was supposed to have someone over at the house again today, but it ended up that I need to go get some things done outside the house. So one of them is get my girls some of her seizure medication. So I rescheduled it and then I gotta go shopping. There you are. Just gonna clean this brush off a little bit. And I'm just gonna blend a little. Okay. I found my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, so I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Okay, Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Skin Tint 102. So I keep meaning to talk about this and I keep forgetting. Last week I ordered 3 eyeshadow palettes. Where's my spray? There. From my favorite Cosmic brushes, and I went back like a couple days later just to have a little look and I'm so upset about it. They had a notice that they will no longer be shipping to the US after, I think it was the 22nd or 23rd, because of the freaking tariffs. So I love English brands, and I'm sure, you know, it's going to affect other English brands, and that just really, pardon me, sucks. I love the English brands. I think they are just top tier. I think they're way better than a lot of the US brands, you know. That's just my opinion. And they just make such beautiful palettes, and it's just not going to be nice. Okay, where's there you are. Is e.l.f. bronzer, this one. I hope they figure something out, you know. Be nice if like Ulta would carry them or something. Someone. I got too much. Oh, I did not want that much. So I think they should be here by tomorrow. They should have been here today because they got in the next city over yesterday, but okay, CoverGirl Peach Punch Blush. I was so disappointed to see that. I haven't checked the other brands like Bella Beauté Bar, which is another one I love. Freaking tariffs. Okay, this. Where's the brush I used? Was it this one? Hold on. Okay, I just checked on the Bella Beauty bar, and I guess that's in Florida, so yay! I've got a smudge right there. See if I can get that. Okay, I guess I gotta go again and pick a lip. I'll be back. Okay, I used Morphe Fierce by Nature. I used that one and that one. Everyone okay? Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Skin Tint 102. L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. CoverGirl Peach Punch Blush. Gold Goddess Revlon Lipstick. Revolution Raise the Bar Highlight for Brows and Cheeks. I don't know why I always do that. Elf Instant Bronzer Palette. Revolution Power Brow Brown. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here's your closer unnatural look. I'll take you out in the natural. All right, here's your natural light look. We keep losing electricity for like a second. I hope we're not gonna lose it for long. It's beautiful gray skies out there, my favorite. So tomorrow, I'm guessing I probably won't be here because I have stuff going on. And then after that, I'm gonna have to go to another place and pick up another medication from my girl because she has another one that will be out after tonight. So, and I think there's something else too that I have to do. So yeah, I think so. I gotta remember. So anyway, hopefully I will see you soon. So have a wonderful Monday. Bye.